the Rotuma Council of Chiefs, respective district chiefs, the District Officer Rotuma, Mr. Lukesabu, Your Excellency, the former President of our Republic of Fiji, Mr. Chochi Konrate, I acknowledge the presence of the Honorable Magistrate this afternoon, government ministries and stakeholders present with us today, invited guests, CEO of the Fiji Sports Council, Fiji National Sports Commission, stakeholders, dear youth of Rotuma, ladies and gentlemen. Noia, Tolabina, Nisambulabinak. I stand here today with a heart full of joy and pride as we come to the close of this Rotuma Youth Festival. Over these past 4 days, we've shared in something truly special, a vibrant celebration of your energy, your culture, and your community spirit. Seeing all of you come together, you laugh, you learn, and grow has reaffirmed my belief that Rotuma's future is bright, powered by its youth. Today marks a historic occasion as the Rotuma Council of Chiefs has extended their blessings to the Ministry of Youth and Sports' new plan aimed at economic development of the youth of Rotuma. This comprehensive initiative includes the construction of an international sports ground complemented by a youth training center and dedicated spaces for economic developments. We express our heartfelt gratitude to the Ngangats, the chiefs of Rotuma, for their invaluable support. Together, we look forward to forging a strong partnership to empower our younger generation and enhance their future opportunities. As I shared during our evening session, we are here to do business, meaningful work, and I'm dedicating all this to making a positive difference for your community. To all the young people of Rotuma and your community, thank you from the bottom of my heart. Your active participation has made these 4 days unforgettable to each and every one of us, including our stakeholders. I hope you've enjoyed every moment, picked up new skills, and made friendships that will last a lifetime. Today, as you receive your certificates after 2 weeks of dedicated skills training, I encourage you to use what you've learned to better yourselves and your community. You are the future, and you hold the power to shape that future. Let's also take a moment to thank our sponsors, the New Zealand High Commission, UNFPA, Vodafone, VT Roofing, and all our stakeholders here this afternoon. Let's all put our hands together for our sponsors. Their support and their commitment have been vital in turning this vision into reality. On behalf of my ministry, on behalf of your government, I thank you. Thank you for your support, for sharing your expertise, and for being here in Rotuma to uplift our youth. Very soon, you'll witness the unveiling of your new multi-purpose court, funded by your government. An exciting step towards more sports, more activities, and more opportunities for all of you. Your new multi-purpose facility will soon be ready for use, opening more doors for growth and community bonding. I want to give special thanks to His Excellency, former President of Fiji, Mr. Conrote, for his ongoing support of youth and sports development in Rotuma. I also want to recognize the Fiji National Sports Commission and the sporting organizations present, Netball Fiji, Fiji Volleyball Federation, and Touch Federation Fiji, for their dedication during the tournament. Your efforts have inspired us all. Let's put our hands together for the sporting bodies. A heartfelt congratulations to the Fiji National Rugby League team who visited Rotuma last week. I'm proud to share that 3 talented youths have been identified to join the Fiji National Rugby League yesterday. The team returned safely to Nausori Airport, and these young youths will now have the chance to grow and shine. We are all proud of their achievement, and we look forward to their bright futures. Lastly, I want to thank my team from the Ministry of Youth and Sports. I've mentioned in my Talanoa session, we mean business. We have come in full force. We want to show the youth of Rotuma that we mean business. We are here to help you. We also want to thank the District Officer, Mr. Luque, and all the civil servants here in Rotuma. Na sa waliwu, na vitokoni. Na waliwu na ramay mariti ko na wekamuni, na talimuni, rangoliti umay vitilewu. Na sa may wale batati ko na vida na singa sauti. Kema birabuta na babi na vinaka na singa ni kuwa. Your hard work and dedication keep our community moving forward. Remember, today's celebration is just the beginning. Rotuma's journey in youth and sports development is only going to get better. Together, we will continue to build a brighter, more vibrant future for every young person here. Thank you all for being part of this wonderful celebration. Keep the spirit alive, stay inspired, and look forward to more successes ahead. Unawalevu and Faixia.